Hi, I'm really happy to be back. Some of you have mentioned that you've noticed I haven't released videos in a while. And yeah, I've been off for a few months because I just had a baby. So now I'm back and I really missed videos and I really missed all of you. And so, well, while I was gone, even though I wasn't filming videos, I actually did a ton of research. And I'm still researching what's the best products out there, what's amazing, and what's really handy to use, especially, now I have a little bit of different needs as well, being a new mom. So when I discovered this product called Fillerina, I was so excited. You have no idea. So I'm doing an unboxing video here today for you, but I probably can't reenact how excited I was when I received this box. So Fillerina is a 14-day treatment. It's with 82% hyaluronic acid content. So that is unheard of for a topical treatment. It is just the same hyaluronic acid as you would in a filler. So this fills the niche of someone that finds skincare between skincare and fillers. So maybe some people aren't ready for fillers yet, or some people love fillers but want to maintain the results. And yeah, it's a really fun anti-aging treatment that's very easy to use. And it's very pure, it's very clean. How you would choose is, this is a guide chart. So the guide chart has grade 1, 2, and 3 on here. If you look like a 1, you would pick the grade 1. If you look like a 2, you would pick 2. If you look like a 3, 3. Now, grades 4 and 5 are available for sale in the US as well. That is coming to Canada soon this year, they're telling me. So right now in Canada, we have 1, 2, 3. These were the originals, and I guess they just developed a couple more. So with the packaging, it comes like this. It's very clean. It's very professional looking, I would say. It's a little bit clinical, but I feel the luxury still. It's a very nice heavy-duty box. So this is 1, 2, and 3 I have here. Now myself, I feel like I'm between a 1 and 2. So I'm going to pick a 2, just for the sake of it, because I got to pick something, right? So I will pick the number 2. This is a number 2 box. It says right there, your grade, so make sure you pick the right grade. This treatment, I will show you how to use it in my next video, so you can learn about how to use it. 2 cups of water are very important to be used in conjunction prior to applying this treatment, because hyaluronic acid molecules bind with water really well. You get your instructional booklet, you get your 2 needle look-alike precision applicators. So these ones have a little cover on them. So just make sure when not in use, you always have a little covers on. Sometimes these parts come apart, so during shipment, so just be careful about that. They're not broken, they've come apart during, I guess, shipping. So you get 2 of these truncated hollow tip applicators. So this is, yes, a needleless treatment. It's very exciting. You get the nourishing, this one is the replenishing gel, and then this one is a nourishing film. The replenishing gel is the one that has an 82% hyaluronic acid. The nourishing gel doesn't have any hyaluronic acid in it, but this is your moisturizer you're going to use right after this treatment. So that's about it. That's your box. It'll hold your products all safe and sound. It's pretty heavy duty. It's great for traveling. It won't break while you're traveling. And so, yeah, that would be the unboxing video. Now, I've loved this product so much while I was on my mat leave because, the people, the ladies out there that you've had babies, your skin starts to sag and it depletes a little bit. So you want more volume more than ever. And this, you can use it on any lines you have, on your cheekbones to give you a little bit more volume there, and your lips. So I've actually brought this on into my Green Beauty online store because I loved it so much. So we do ship internationally. I've put my website down below. If you have any questions, please let me know. My email's down below as well. Oh yeah, I forgot one more thing. There's a card in here. This also comes with an instructional card. So it just shows you the suggested guidelines of where you might want to put this gel, but it's up to you too, right? It's at your discretion. If you want to put on more areas or less, by all means, go for it. And yeah, if you have any questions, please send me an email. I hope you found this video helpful, and please give me a thumbs up. I'll see you at the next video. Thanks so much.